What is a shower enema? A shower enema enables a person to flush his or her colon at home without the need for a trained professional's assistance. Among the different types of enemas, a home enema is considered one of the most cost efficient, especially for individuals who undergo regular treatments. This type is accomplished by attaching special enema supplies to one's bathroom shower, which allows for quick and convenient colon cleansing. Unlike other types of home enema, a shower enema doesn't require the use of an enema bag to pump water into the colon. The only necessary supplies are nozzle tips to insert into the rectum and a pressure valve to control the flow of water. Most kits also include additional tubing for greater ease of use. Special adapters might be needed to attach the nozzles or tubing to shower heads that cannot be removed from the water source. After it has been assembled, an enema set is relatively simple to use. The nozzle is inserted into the rectum, often with the aid of lubricant. The shower is turned on and the pressure valve is adjusted until the water flow is at a comfortable level. As the water flows through the tubing, the colon is cleansed of any fecal matter and other residue. After the colon has been moderately filled, the individual then removes the nozzle and defecates into the toilet. Enemas have several potential benefits. Periodic colon cleansing may help to detoxify the body and promote regular bowel movement, making enemas a source of relief for individuals who are suffering from severe constipation. Enemas may also prevent the formation of painful polyps in the colon and rectum. A shower enema is especially useful for individuals who need to undergo regular treatment because in the long run, the one-time investment in a set will be much cheaper than medical fees. There are certain risk factors, however, that are associated with shower enemas. It does not regulate the amount of water entering the colon, unlike an enema bag. Overloading the colon with water can cause it to rupture, leading to severe medical problems. There also is no guarantee that the water pressure will be kept at safe levels. Although the number of pressure-related injuries resulting from the use of these sets is quite few, it is recommended, as with any self-performed medical procedures, that an individual who is considering a shower enema first consult a trained professional to determine if the procedure itself is safe for that person. In addition, all instructions accompanying the set should be followed precisely in order to avoid any possible medical